we didn't accomplish more than I thought, but we have accomplished that we have gotten to this milestone that we cannot build any higher without finding a solution how to rigidly, sturdily build the structure on top of the window.
Today, we're going to follow a group of international builders with zero professional experience to see if they have what it takes to build a castle.
The bolts have gotten loose.
It's a race against time. It's a race against money. It's a race against natural resources. Will they succeed? Will they fail? Or will it be something worse?
This is American Castle.
American Castle, rise from the ashes high, holding the dream where the truth don't die. American Castle.
Steady pace, you know, they're just working away. Yeah, it's doing great.
Like anyone can achieve anything if they build the right team, have the right vision, and just chase the dream.
Let's go.
If you have the right vision and you surround yourself with the right people and you work hard, you make the right decisions, magical things can happen to you, and you're very lucky that you live in America that allows you to pursue your dreams, pursue your goals, and really it's for the person that is a dreamer, go-getter, entrepreneur, but anyone can be that if they just, probably unblock some things in their mind and go for something that they're passionate about. So yeah, hopefully we can show that, but we'll see.
All the windows, 1, 2, 3 windows, from the bottom to the top, 65 inches.
Right now we're starting to get like much taller, so they have to be very careful, especially where they're stepping, because one step that they fall off, it's gonna hurt and it's very dangerous.
Dice que tienen que tener mucho cuidado allá arriba, que se tienen que mantener hidratados, que se fijen bien dónde pisan, porque un paso en falso van para abajo para el piso. Entonces es muy peligroso que estar trabajando allá arriba y que se hidraten, lo más importante.
Yeah.
Peter's really good at pep talks, so it's kind of like he conveys to the team and keeps them motivated, keeps them on track.
Tell them that he was only probably about this high.
10 feet.
10 feet. He fell off. He broke his elbow
in
a few places, and he couldn't open his arm for 3-4 months. Once we build higher, they're gonna have to wear these. So we want to try out. We want them to just try them out, see which one they like. These things will save your life.
Well, we get this tool today. It's very important because a rock hit us in the head, it's not good. Protection, safety first, safety, it's gotta be first all the time.
Yeah, so what I'm doing now is called pointing, and that basically means you're filling in the gap with mortar. Today we use a cement mortar, so it's easier and more effective. But basically all it does is fill in the cracks. It looks a little better and it makes the structure a little more sturdy, even though it doesn't really need it. But they've been doing it forever, so it's kind of like gives a more authentic castle look and kind of cleans it up. And we'll see, it's still a little rough, but experimenting. So eventually we're gonna switch to white and mix it up. I think we got 2 more feet left in. Yeah, we're about finished.
On schedule, ahead of schedule.
Off schedule for the tower. I was hoping to get a tower done in 4 weeks. There is something inspiring about building a castle. It's
something that's challenging, but it can be done. And I think, you know, what we're doing is we're just building to show that things can be done.
We reached the top edge of all the windows, which is an important milestone.
Exacto, así.
Yeah, Steve. Oh yeah.
When you win in a team, I think it's the greatest feeling you can have. So we're trying to accomplish 3 really, really big things. I think it's going to feel great when we do it as a team. People usually get burnt out in life when they're either working really hard towards something they want and they just don't see results. But most of the time they get burnt out because they're not working on things that they truly like or want. It's not their true passion.
Very cool, guys. Very cool.
It's going to be a lot of weight on those pieces. Because the window is going to be there. You don't want it to crack and fall in.
Pero, okay, I got the other one here.
There was a bit of a confusion how to design it, what material to use to make it rigid and strong. Since we are doing it the first time, different people, different ideas, but we found a solution and we all agreed on it. Teamwork at its finest.
We'll move them, they won't stick. We'll do it correctly.
Yeah, when they're doing it, it's gonna fall apart.
Yeah, it's pretty dangerous. Keep moving.
Yeah, we have a chicken wire somewhere. Road somewhere.
The boss wants to put some extra rebars or something in the middle, so to support the heavy weight.
Yeah, let's get it ready for tomorrow. I'll do 3 layers. We need to make a wood form so when you pour the concrete it doesn't fall out. Okay. Just let it sit. The coral cracks pretty easily, so we don't. That way it'll work, but we'll just make it a little stronger.
Better safe than sorry. That's what he meant to say.
Yeah, better safe than sorry. We don't want anyone climbing through the window and having a rock fall at home. Yeah.
Shit. From now on, we cannot go higher. We need to make it sturdy above the windows and then we can go higher.
There's only 2 more lines to go. Well, we're gonna take the weekend off and we're gonna come back on Thursday, I guess. But on Monday, they should be finished 4 days. We wanna work Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But Monday, this castle gotta be finished.
I feel good about where the castle, the show, and the tools are going. I am taking a rest because I know that it's a marathon. You know, we're basically working every day. We don't have breaks. Like we pretty much take a red eye here, then fly out, then red eye, work, fly back.
This morning we got up about 4:30. We are here at LAX and are about to embark on our trip.
It's an update, dude. I'm exhausted. I want to sleep.
I know that it's a marathon and that we just have to, you know, sometimes it's good to rest. Anytime you get to, even if it's 10 minutes to get some Z's, is good. Inside, I feel like I know we're going to win, so as a team. So I feel very confident. And if anyone wants to join our team, yeah, please apply.
¿Cómo se llama?
¿Cómo se llama?
Joaquín.
Joachim.
Joaquín. Hey.
He's called a lot of things from a lot of different people.
Yahim, Yohim, Wahim. I mix it up. I like to choose one of 3.
I've heard Ahim, I've heard Yochim, I've heard Joaquin. Did I say Ahim? I don't really know what his name is. Spell it. I'm gonna go
Yoheme.
A-Y-E-N.
Y-O-H-E with a nether E with like a tilde.
Joachim. Joachim, like Jorgen. It's an old German name. Yeah, but you can ask him.